I don't understand what my hair is doing here. Is that better? Is that a little easier for you yet? No. Alright, bad hair day. Hello. What's up? Welcome back to my channel if you are new here or just stopping by. My name is Jennifer and I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribe to me. I am doing a giveaway every 100 subscribers here on my channel and we are very close to my 500 subscriber giveaway. So super excited for that, but today I wanted to do a very fall look. So we came up with this. I guess it's like a pumpkin spice moment. It's very orange, brown, gold. Yeah. I don't know. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do while you're watching, please give it a thumbs up down below. It really helps me out. You can also leave me a comment down below if you would like. Just chit chat. It'd be fun. I love getting to talk to you guys. But anywho, without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, I most definitely over-primed my eyes. There's like concealer from here to here, but it's fine. We're moving past it. It's all good in the hood. We are going to be using the James Charles and Morphe palette. I'm pure trash and I lost the little name insert situation, so I shall be pointing. And I do apologize in advance. Also, I feel terrible because I have to like crack the spine so that I can hold this where you guys can see it. So I want to do a really pretty like pumpkin-y look. So I'm going to go in with this literal bright orange. And just fan that into our crease. And for today's look, I just want to extend out my crease a little bit. I really like this brush. This is the LA Colors Full Blending Brush. We like her. She's like a flattened little creaser. I'm a fan. Now that we're kind of looking a little wild, a little crazy, I'm gonna go right next door to this more burnt orange, and all I did was wipe this brush off, same exact moment, and I'm gonna add that lower in my crease, but still connecting it out. This is gonna work out for me, I promise. And I just really want to blend all that together. Don't worry about this weird, harsh moment we're having. We're gonna fix it. I'm kind of keeping this right on my eye socket and then fluffing there at the end. Can't be the only one where one eye turns out way better than the other. It can't just be me, right? Right? Alright, we're going to set this brush down for just like a half a millisecond. And where is the brush I'm looking for? It's right here. Is it actually dirty or is it stained? Because you know what I still haven't done? Wash my freaking brushes. I don't think I'm ever gonna wash them. It's fine. After swatching, I'm gonna take this in the top right hand corner on a flat shader brush and kind of carve out this outer corner. It's really easy to take a flat eyeliner brush like this and just kind of stamp out where you want your eyeshadow to be and then just kind of squish it over. Once again, we're not worrying about blending just yet. Just getting our shape going. but I do want us to have like the outlined crease. That's the kind of shape you're rolling for, or you're going for. Okay, so we are right here. I don't know if you guys can really see, that's way dark. But this is where we are. So now I'm gonna go in with this shade right underneath it, and it was like almost completely black, but it's brown. And I'm just gonna layer this over. Now I'm just gonna take any little blending brush and just fuzz over just a little bit. Like so. I don't have a plan now. Hang on. Swatching again. And now I'm gonna take, I might end up having to take my finger, but for right now I'm gonna go in with this golden shade. Yeah, that's a finger. I'm just gonna take my finger. It's okay if you fudge up that line a little bit. I'm gonna go back in. Okay, that's not nearly as golden-ish that I was wanting, so I'm gonna go in with this really pretty highlight shade. See if that can help us out a little bit. And it did. Not a ton, just a little. Okay, clean blending brush, cleanish, and by cleanish I mean spot cleaning it. There's nothing on this brush, no added product, and I'm just blurring out that edge just a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my towel. There's not a whole lot of cleanup that I'm wanting to do. Yeah, I'm feeling this. I'm gonna pause right here really fast and stop to do my face makeup and my eyebrows, and we'll be right back. It's a lot going on over here. Yeah, but let's continue the video. I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Retractable Eyeliner in Black Brown. It's a lot going on in there. It's a lot going on in my head too. Ooh, there's a random fuzzy. Sorry. I am going to just quickly hit my waterline. That was nothing special. I could have done that off camera. It's fine though. It's totally fine. So, I'm a mess today. I am going to take this burnt orangey shade we used, and we're gonna pop this right under here, and I'm gonna smoke her down a little bit. My eyeliner's kind of mixing and making it a little darker. Totes fine. And I'm almost creating a little flick, a little anti-wing down at the bottom. Just a little bit. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. And then with a even tinier little point brush, I'm going to take that super dark brown we've been using and just right up on my lash line. Barely. Ooh, sorry, barely right up on my lash line, just on the very outer edge, because I mainly want that orange to be the pop. Now I'm gonna take this super light, almost silver gold shade, and we're gonna pop her in the outer corner. My face highlight is absurd. I've got to tone her down here in a second. My hair is taking on me right now. Wow, that's, wow. I'm very, very glowy. Wow. Okay, now all I'm going to do is put on a coat of mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess. I have the Sculpted Volume, the purple one. And then I'm trying to decide if I want to do it. I don't want to do a wing, but I think we're going to try these magnetic lashes again. This is the Kiss Magnetic Eyeliner, and these are the Charm lashes. So I'm going to do that quickly. We'll be right back to do a lip. Okay, that was a minute. Anywho, to finish out this look, I want a pretty brown lip to complement the pumpkin-y, spicy moment on our eyes. And for that, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Caramel Cake. She pretty. Okay. My lips came out whack as shit, and it's alright. I'm gonna attempt to find a part somewhere in here. Maybe. We just gonna roll it like this, okay? Okay, here's the final look, guys. How do we feel? Do we like it? I feel like I should stop fucking with my hair. It's just not cooperating. Anywho, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. It's very fall to me. My lips came out a little weird, but other than that, I'm a fan. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. We are actually really freaking close to another giveaway for my 500 subscriber giveaway. We're really freaking close. I'm just saying, feel free to subscribe. Alright, I'm gonna get off here, stop rambling. Happy fall, y'all, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.